All right, this thing, this is an old cell booster. It is a Motorola S5415E. I looked it up. There's none on eBay. Well, there was some, but I saw some on a couple of other sites that were going for $30 in the States. I don't know if they actually were selling, but anyways, it's a pretty useless thing now. It was for the MicroTac or StarTac phones, and it came with all of this wire. Not exactly sure what it all does. Like, there's where you plug your phone into. Oh no, that's just like a extension cable that you probably, because that thing probably goes somewhere in your vehicle, or this thing does, and then that cord runs up to your car. Anyhow, I'm gonna scrap it. So yeah, I just figured well, it's gonna be a probably like a T15 Torx. Looks like that's it, and then just the those little nuts on the end. There's some gold pins in there. Maybe I'll pull those out and send them in my little pill bottle to Irish. All right. They were T10 Torx, and we got 2 brass nuts. Screws were all shred. Once I took everything off, this thing all came apart. Oh, let's see. So these are aluminum. This is aluminum as well. And I'm guessing, so that is clean extrusion. Okay, we'll weigh that up after. That, I think, is copper. We'll see here in a second. There's a, I don't know, all right little board, I guess. And there's the back. Got some, I guess those aren't tantalums, maybe. Not sure what this is. I'll have to look that up. But at the least, there's, some chips on there. Gold pins there. Let's see what that is. Motorola 904 or 08T01. And we got some chips in the back there. But I think if I remove this metal, and that I believe is copper too. But yeah, I'll see. I'll remove that, and this looks like all aluminum. All right, I'll be back. So this is copper, and there's that weird little board on the back. I don't know what that is. Some tiny stuff. Keep saying move back to improve focus, but I guess maybe I have to zoom in. There. Yeah, I don't know what all that stuff is, but I guess I should just pop it off of there. Okay. So this one is brass. So 2 brass. I'll pop these off next. These I think are all brass too. It looks like, in judging from the color inside there. But I'll see. All right, these are brass. They're going to be dirty brass because I can't get that little thing of plastic out of there. I've already spent altogether too much time. But for this part, I just took this small screwdriver, jammed it inside. There we go. So that part comes out. It's just getting that end there. See, it's got that, the end on it that's not really, yeah, just came off. Anyways, I gotta pull this thing out. I'm gonna have to use the pliers to get that out, but it comes out easy. But there's that plastic thing. I wish this thing would focus better. There's that plastic thing up inside there that there's just no way to get it out without, say, drilling through the other side. But anyways, like I said, it's not worth getting that out. I'll probably just throw it in the brass, and it's really a small, tiny little piece, but yeah, we'll see. All right, let's see this. That's that piece of copper, but I can't get that clean. I think those are little gold pins that come up. And then the thing looks like gold, and that looks like gold. But they got these tiny little silicone chips in them. Or silicon chips. So, I don't know, that's kind of a weird one. We'll see. I think there's some more of these things that'll be taken apart, so I'll have to see if I'll keep one. Because, I mean, I don't know. I guess that it's worth more in copper than it is in gold. Like, I'll have to weigh it. Okay, so out of frustration, I started smacking this thing. I hit it with the grinder, and it's a metal on top, aluminum, I'm assuming. But then I whacked it with the pliers, and it cracked, and I believe that's plastic. I don't really know what this thing is. If anybody can shed some light on this, I would appreciate that. Just throw a comment in if you can, or phone me. Phone me on your cellular telephone. I'm going to smack this other one open here next to see what, like, it looks like it's made out of the same stuff, but I don't know. I'm just trying to get as much of the garbage off of this as I can, just to make, you know, you're not shipping lower grade board. I don't, I'm sure I will ship stuff like this. Like, I imagine that little board's worth shipping to Board Snort. Anyhow, I'll talk to you in a little bit. Okay, so this is the bottom of it, and it kind of looks like it's got gold. I don't know. Maybe it's not gold. It looks like it's flashed with some sort of a, I don't know. It's like gold to me, but look at it. It's like weird. It's like a really brittle plastic. I don't know. Stupid. Anyways, this is, oh, let me see. Oh, I guess I can just get my, I have a little magnet somewhere here. Oh, there it is. Oh, no, that's shred. This thing's shred too. This thing was not shred. 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 Okay. So this is, I don't know, MOT, I guess, for Motorola. 715019744. I have no idea what it is. I peeled the little piece of shred off of it. Like maybe it's some sort of airflow, like a heat sink or something, but there's like nothing on the back. Same as this other one, there was like nothing on the underside. It's just there. You can kind of see like a goldish color to it, but it's not gold. Anyhow, I don't, that's weird, but I can't believe I've spent half an hour picking at this thing so far. This is what else oh, somebody's a little bit tired. This is what else I've been doing. I've got this pallet of TVs ready to go. There's a pallet of TVs back there ready to go. And then I gotta fill the rest of this up with just stereos and electronics and what have you. So I'm just kind of going through stuff. And then I think I might, oh wait, that doesn't look good. Oh, it's just a reflection. I thought there was a hole in the roof, but there might be. Looks like we've been getting some leaking. Yeah, I was thinking I might set a workstation up here, just along this wall. And then when I get 4 pallets, then the guy can come and pick it up. Until I can get some way of loading, like a tractor with a set of forks or something on it. But I can't. I would get Royce to do it. It's just I can't really afford it. And not that he's really expensive or anything. It's just that you figure it's even a couple hours. Like you got to have the thing, and I might get $300 for the 4 pallets. You know, I don't know. Maybe I would get 400. I don't think so though. So then, yeah, it's like a couple $100 just for the rental thing, and then kind of makes your time worthless. But it's all kind of worthless, really, recycling. But that's what I'm doing here now. So as soon as I get, I'm just sorting all of this pile out here, and then I will go fill this up with more wire. But I'm going to put another pallet here, and that's going to be with the small microwaves. To me, I'd rather scrap the microwaves, but I guess they want them. They want them shipped. Like, it seems like a waste of money to ship a bunch of microwaves. Well, I don't know what it would be. Probably, I don't know, 1,200 kilometers. Like, I don't know what's that, 700 miles? Ship a bunch of microwaves. Like, you guys know what a microwave's worth. Not much. Well, whatever. Alright, I guess we'll weigh this stuff up. I hit this thing with the grinder. I've smacked it with the hammer a bunch of times. There's like a metal coating that looks like gold, but it can't be, right? I couldn't find anything about these weird I think it's like a ceramic inside, but I don't know. Anyways, this thing is just gonna have to go as it is. I don't know what grade that would be, but I'm assuming it's a high grade something. Peripheral, maybe. I guess I should take that MOSFET off too. I doubt they want those. But anyways, got a bunch of gold pins for Irish. A little brass. Oh, I guess I could get my scale. Okay, so here we go. We get 0 ounces. So brass, we have we have 0.99 ounces of brass, although I do think that was brass too, which was was it? Oh, 1.02. All right, so we got 1.02 ounces of brass, which is like probably the most valuable thing in this. We have 1/4 of an ounce of quite dirty copper. Let's shred. I guess that's it for anything of value. And we've got, oh, I gotta get that over there. 2 ounces of whatever grade circuit board that is. It's got like some, I don't know, it looks like visible gold, but I don't know. Anyhow, that's what we get out of that Motorola cell phone amplifier. That and a lot of my blood, sweat, and tears. Oh yeah, and there was that tiny weird little board. So Oh, I forgot. What the heck? So I got, for aluminum, I've got just under a pound of well, that's extruded, and then there's a little bit. There was another little piece of aluminum, I thought, too, but anyhow, just about a pound of extrusion. All right, we'll talk to you all later. Yeah, that's it. I'm just, I don't know, wasting time, I guess. Okay, getting this, I didn't plan this out very well. I'm going to have to fill this up first because when the guy comes, like, I just have a pallet jack. I have nowhere to move this pallet to because they're too wide to go side by side because of this thing being bowed out. Or bowed in, I guess. But, yeah, so I gotta get one more pallet here. I've got the pallet somewhere. Oh, right there. That's gonna go here, and then I'm going to, I was gonna load microwaves on it, but now I don't know. I guess maybe I could just throw another bag and then start filling it up with all of these, like, appliances, and there's, like, just so fans, everything that doesn't go in that. So I guess that's what I'll do. Look at all this cottonwood fluff. It's everywhere. The stupid cottonwoods. So most of you know that you know, companies are putting concrete in their washers to keep the, I guess, the thing stable. But did you know that they're also making them out of iron? I think that's pretty cool, because that's definitely not shred. Okay, so I got this the shelf brackets up from up by the roof that I said I was gonna put up on here, and I finally did. So that's good. I get all these ladders out of my way, and that there was that metal that was inside the sea can too. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. It's like channel. But yeah, so I've been kind of thinking that my meds are not working because I cannot seem to keep a thought or a focus on anything. So I've been trying to do this video for several hours now, and there's always something that gets in the way. A lot of it is microwaves and stuff. So, but also cutting grass, and just every time I see something I need to clean up, I go to it. So anyways, I'm gonna try and get these microwaves cleaned up. I'll get them loaded in the truck, and then yeah, I don't know, maybe I won't. Maybe I'll take a load of plastic for the dump tomorrow, and then I'll load the microwaves up. But I gotta get them scrapped out anyhow. All right, we'll talk to you later.